Those of you that read this week's problem of the week probably recognize that Harry, Hermione, and Ron wouldn't have been playing marbles at all. They, of course, would have been playing gobstones. So let's set the record straight here. Well, it's still a very unusual game because if you examine the rules, the winner of each round got from each of the other players as many gobstones as the winner had at the start of that round. That means that if you start a round and you're in last place, you'd better win the round or you'll have to give up all your marbles. Well, the key here is to look at the three numbers and see which number is divisible by 3. And in this case, it's Hermione's. So we'll do a little time travel and go back to the beginning of round 2. And what had to have happened in round 2 is that Hermione started the round with 2, and so according to the rules of the game, Ron had to give her 2 and Harry had to give her 2. That meant at the beginning of the round, Hermione only had 2. Harry had 7 and Ron had 9. Well, let's time travel again. And we see then that now Ron has the number that's divisible by 3. So what has happened from the beginning of the game is that Ron started with 3, and he had to get 3 from Harry and 3 from Hermione. But since we're working backwards, let's put those back where they started. That means at the start of the game, Harry had 10, Hermione had 5, and Ron had 3. And since we're looking for Harry's number, 10 is the answer to this week's problem of the week.